it's me. I'm back with another video. So today we are going to cook one of my favorite vegetables, which are butter beans. So today we're cooking butter beans with country ham. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video and let's get started. So first off, I have here my pieces of country ham, which I have already boiled. As you can see, it is done. So that's your first thing. So you just want to get a couple of pieces of country ham, and you want to boil it until it's done completely. So this is the water left over from the country ham. You want to keep the water because you're going to use that water to cook your butter beans. It's just going to make it more flavorful. So what I have here are fresh frozen butter beans. Here, fresh frozen butter beans. So we're going to open them up. And we're gonna just pour them right over in the water, still frozen. They don't have to, you know, be thawed out to cook them. You can cook them frozen. And I also have my seasonings here, which I'm going to season my butter beans. So I have black pepper. Oops, sorry. I have black pepper. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little black pepper. I have onion powder. Sprinkle a little onion powder. I have garlic powder. Sprinkle a little garlic powder. And lastly, I have kosher salt. Now, be mindful that country ham may be a little salty, so therefore it's going to make the water salty. So you only want to use a little salt, or you can, like, you know, taste the water to see exactly how salty it is before you add salt. But I have kosher salt, so I'm just going to add just a little bit because I did not taste the water, but I'm pretty sure I didn't have a lot of country ham. So, and I washed it before I put it in, try to wash some of the salt off. So I'm just going to add just a little salt. And I'm going to place my eye on medium to high heat. So I'm going to place my eye on about between 5 and 6. Because I wanted to come to a boil. And I'm going to place the top on it. And I'm just going to allow that to boil and cook. Our butter beans have came to a hard boil, as you can see. That's what you want. So all we're going to do is just stir them. At this time, now that it's at a hard boil, you can turn it down and just cook it on low. You don't want to cook it too fast. For one, if you don't watch it, the water will cook out of it and your butter beans will be scorched. And that's what you don't want. So we're just going to turn our eye from medium high to low. So I'm going to put my eye on 4, and I'm just going to allow the butter beans to cook on low till about 20 minutes the most, and then we'll check them. They are done. As you can see, the country ham has fell to pieces. Falling apart. I can't even pick it up. It has cooked to pieces. At this time, you can like taste your butter beans and see what it's missing. If you need to add more salt, pepper, you know, any seasons that you like. I did try mine and they did not need anything, no salt, no nothing. So they are cooked perfect to my liking. So there you have it, butter beans and country ham. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my butter beans with country ham. Comment below and let me know what you think about this video. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.